gets more interesting. That's the problem, isn't it? Good job. Good job. Oh no. What happened? What happened? Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? Okay, let's try some more. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Try it. You made good progress. Oh, I know. It gets frustrating. It gets frustrating. Okay. Okay. There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay. Try it. Try it. Can you try it? Yeah. There you go. There you go. Good one. That's your best one yet. That's your best one yet. Oh, it's hard. Can you do another one? You're going to get the yellow star. Look.
You can get one back and 2 good ones. Is that right?
There you go. Oh, it's hard. Okay.
I'm sorry.
You could almost get the yellow star. You could almost get it. Okay. Yes. You're doing great. You're doing
I think so
great.
too. And also probably because
There you go.
20-hour-a-week position for the fall.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
Okay. Almost. Almost. Almost.
I guess there's a question of who we should work with. You're at now 4 people.
Yes.
Adam has had 2. But it kind of depends on who
Are you going to get it?
and my concern a little bit is
Oh, good job. Good job. Good job.
where's that?
Oh, my goodness.
If it's you, then you should really start.
Are you feeling proud of yourself? It's right there.
That'd be like September 11th.
You basically got it. Yes, you got it. Hooray. Hooray.